So guys, I'll be looking to buy an NZD from this point right there. So price get to my key zone, to my supply zone on the 4-hour time frame right there. So I was supposed to buy, to sell USD NZD USD from this point right there down to this point, but I missed this entry, so I'm just trying to re-enter from this point. So I re-entered my entry from this order block right here, but I'll not be dropping this signal because it's low probability. If I were to be around when price played out around this point, then I would drop this signal, but since it's already a low probability setup, I'm not going to be dropping the signal. Nevertheless, it's a valid setup, but it's just that I'm entering late around this point. That's why I did not drop the signal though. But let me break it down what I'm seeing, that the reason why I'm selling USD USD for now. Let me give you the reason I'm selling. So if you go to the weekly time frame, as you guys know, I'm a swing trader. So if you go to the weekly time frame, you will see that there is a fair value gap around this point. You guys will see that there is a fair value gap around this point. It's a fair value gap. If those of you that those of you that have been following me for long now knows that I trade fair value gaps and Judas swing. So if you count from, let me say I did my analysis last week waiting for this fair value gap. So if you count from this particular weekly zone right here, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the 8 candles that I have business with. These are the 8 candles that I have business with. Anything beyond these 8 candles, I don't have business with them. So within these 8 candles, the recent POI that I'm seeing on this market is this fair value gap right there, weekly fair value gap. So I'm going to mark the weekly fair value gap and refine it to 4-hour order block. I will then refine it to 4-hour order block. So next I'm going to do is to refine it to 4-hour order block. So on the recent 4-hour order block I'm seeing after this on this weekly fair value gap is this particular one right here. So when price get to the fair value order block, price gave me, although I was not around where price was giving me this confirmation, so I did not take the trade from this point. So price gave me my entry confirmation around this point. I'm supposed to take the trade from here and then hold all the way down to this point at 1:5, but I wasn't around to take the trade, so I'm just re-entering from this point and I'm taking my trade now. This is just like a 1:3 risk to reward, which is not a high probability setup. So my real setup my real entry is supposed to be from this point right here. So anything can happen. Price might decide to retest this high again before continue going down, and if it decides to retest the high, price will take me out. That's why I did not drop this signal. But if I were to take my entry from here, like from this point, which is where I'm supposed to take the entry, I would have dropped the signal for you guys. But nevertheless, let's see how the market will play out. And if price get to this point and I got my entry confirmation again, I'll be looking to buy from this demand zone right here. So anyhow the market goes, I'll keep you guys updated, and that is it for now. If you have any question, you can drop it in the group or you drop it in the comment section. I will reply to your comments and resolve any issue you have with your analysis.
Yeah, okay.